The whole of Lalita Sahasranama is about rising up the Kundalini from the Mooladhara. Only if you're born, you will die. If you're not born, you're not going to die. All the Shatchakropari Samstita and Mahashakti Kundalini, what a beautiful verse these are. She will tell you, recite this energy, you will get it. Recite this now. Hari Om Shri Matre Namaha. So in our previous episodes, we are pondering about the Kundalini chakras and Sri Chakra and Sri Vidya. And now in this podcast, I just want to give you about what are the namas of Devi which connect with our Kundalini chakras. So there are quite a few namas in Lalita Sahasranama. So I'm going to discuss few of them continuously in 1 or 2 episodes. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Now, what are the namas which talk about the Kundalini chakras? So when the whole of Lalita Sahasranama is about rising up the Kundalini from the Mooladhara, because the first nama itself says Chithagni Kunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudyada. It gives you the complete meaning. So the purpose of Lalita Sahasranama is to rise up the Kundalini from the Chithagni Kundam, which is the Mooladhara. Okay, bring it up to the Jadragni, which is your Nabhi Chakra. Is it clear to you? And then coming to the Sahasram, where she merges with her, you say the Manavala and Shiva, and she dances, on your head. So the whole of Lalita Sahasranama is based on this only. But let's pick up certain namas, and you know that like Lalita Sahasranama is complete mantra. See, we say when we do the Nyasam, we say Asya Sri Lalita Sahasra Nama Stotra Maha Mantras. Each one Nama has a mantra that's hidden in it, which rises up your Kundalini and does the purpose of merger with divine. That is the purpose of the human birth. So now let's see few namas. See the nama, that is the verse 23. Maha Padmadavi Samstha Kadambavanavasini. Now, leaving behind the external meaning, she lives in the Mahapadmadavi, that is the lotus, pond of lotus, and the Kadambavanam, that is the trees, that is Kadamba trees. That's where. Now, let us convert it to us. So, the Mahapadmadavi, see, when you visualize from Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipuraka, Anahata, Vishuddhi and Agnya. See, there are strings of lotuses, right? 4-petal lotus, 6-petal lotus, 10-petal lotus, 12-petal lotus, 16-petal lotus, 2-petal lotus, and the Sahasradala Padmastha, 1000-petal lotus. Right? So the human body and the top of the head is the Sahasra Dalam, is the Mahapadmadavi Samstha. Kadamba Vanavasini Vanam is the one which has varied trees. Varied, very different trees, and different thoughts, different emotions. All varied emotions and thoughts are there, but Devi dwells in everything. If you look at the videos of Sri Chakram, all the emotions are the Siddhi Devi's govern. So all your emotions, be it happiness, be it sorrow, be it your exalted, your valorous, whatever, all these emotions are governed by the Siddhi Devi. So, Kadambavanam is the very thoughts you have, and she dwells in it. So, whatever thoughts I am getting, the Mahapadmadavi is my Sahasradalam. Okay, so you see the Kundalini principle there. And then we talk about the thing, Deva Shri Ganasankhada Stuyamanatma Vaibhava, and in the Bhandasurapadam. So I want to outline here in the Bhandasurapadam also, we have, see, Lalita Devi, she rides in the Chakra Raja Chakram. So that is Chakra Raja Ratharuda. So she rides in the Chakra Raja Ratha, that is Sri Chakram. And Idakala is the Gaya Chakram of Shyamala Devi, and the Pinkala is the Kiri Chakram of Varahi Devi. Again, you're encountering the Kundalini principle. So the verse 26, Chakra Raja Ratharuda Sarva Yudha Parishkruta Geya Chakra Ratharuda Mantrini Parisevita Kiri Chakra Ratharuda Dandanatha Puraskrita. See how beautiful. See, when you're reciting these verses, just see. No? The center is Sushumna, that is Lalitama. Left side, you have Idakala, Shyamala Devi. Pinkala is Varahi. So these two nadis have to be balanced for the Kundalini to rise up through your Sushumna. So the beautiful principle of Kundalini, how it will rise up, is given there. And also we have the verses like, Srimad Bhagava Kotaika Swarupa Mukha Pankacha Kantada Khati Paryanta Madhya Kota Swarupini Shakti Kotaika Tapanna Khatyado Bhagadarini Moola Mantratmika Moola Kotatraya Kalebara. See, Devi's faces her mantras Bhagbhava Kotam. From her neck to her hip, it is the Madhya Kotam. And below her hip is Shakti Kotam. And the Moola Kotatraya Kalebara. Kulamrutai Karasika. So Kula Amrutai Karasika. She enjoys the taste of Amruta dripping from the Kula Chakra. And also Kulankana, Kulantasta, she dwells in the Akula Chakram below and Kula Chakram above. Akula Samayantasta, Samayachara Tatpara. So Akula Chakram below the Muladhara and Kula Chakram on top of your head. And from the Kula Chakram drips the Amruta Varshini. Okay, that's why you say Kulamrutaika Rasika, she enjoys the Kulamrutam. So Devi herself is the Swarupam of Kundalini. Herself is Kundalini Swarupam. Now, going to the Vagbhava Kotam of Devi's mantra, we say it is, that part is Agnikanda, that is from Muladhara. She rises up like a fire till Anahata Chakra. From Anahata Chakra, she rises up like a light of Surya, that is the sun. From Agnya Chakra, so from Anahata to Agnya, it's Surya. And from Agnya to here, that is Sahasrara, and even beyond, she rises up like the moon. That's why the moon, the Somas Chakra, showers the nectar. Is it clear to you? So when we talk about even the forehead of Devi, what we say? See, when we talk about Ashtami Chandra Vibraja Dalikastala Shobhita. So Ashtami Chandra Vibraja, Ashtami Chandra is there, that is a half moon, in which the Kulamrutaika Rasika. See, the whole of Lalita Sahasranama is the Kundalini principle. Tatillata Samaruchit Shat Chakropari Samstita. She just climbs up. Tatillata Samaruchit Shat Chakropari Samstita. She goes up like a lightning. Okay, so all this talk about the principles of Kundalini. Now let us talk about the verse Mooladharaika Nilaya. So she dwells in the Mooladhara. Mooladharaika Nilaya Brahma Granthi Vibhedini. Now, what is Granthi? So, in your spiritual progress, you will encounter with so many hurdles. So many hurdles which will prevent you from progressing into your spiritual path. Okay, so many hurdles. And when the Kundalini raises from Mooladhara, it has to pierce through, you can call it as knots in the nadi. So it has to pierce through that knot. So the knot first the Kundalini experiences is Brahma Granthi. So if you think that you're stuck in your spiritual progress, if you're not able to, go ahead in your spiritual progress, recite this nama. Mooladharaika Nilaya. Visualize her at your Mooladhara. Brahma Granthi Vibhedini. Mooladharaika Nilaya Brahma Granthi Vibhedini. So she goes up. She pierces the Brahma Granthi. Manipurantharudita. So she pierces, then she will go across the Swadhisthana chakra. Swadhisthana chakra is just above the Mooladhara chakra. Manipurantharudita. So she rises up to the Manipuraka chakra. And again there is a Granthi. Vishnu Granthi Vibhedini. She pierces the Manipuraka chakra and she goes up. Once she pierces the Vishnu Granthi, then she will go like Tatillata Samaruchi Shat Chakropari Samstita. Now, Agnya Chakrantaralasta. Now she crosses the Anahada, she crosses the Vishuddhi and she comes to the Agnya Chakra. Agnya Chakrantaralasta. Now you have a Granthi here. Rudra Granthi Vibhedini. So she pierces the Rudra Granthi. Sahasraram Bhujaruda. Now she goes to the Sahasratala Padmam. Sudha Sarabhivarshini. From the Sahasratalam, the Amruta, the nectar is Sudha Sarabhivachini. Recall Mahapadmadavi Samstha and the previous verse also. The next one. Kadamba Vanavasini Sudha Sagara Madhyastha. Okay. Kamakshi Kamadayini. She merges with her Lord Shiva, Kameshwara at the Sahasratalam. See the whole, see how beautiful it is. So, Sudha Sagara Madhyastha, she dwells there. And now it says that Sahasrara Bhujarudha Sudha Sarabhivarshini, the Amruta. What will the Amruta give you? A state of deathlessness. No death. What do you mean by that? Only if you're born, you will die. If you're not born, you're not going to die. Means what? You're going to get a birthless state. As Bhagavad Padal says, once I'm born to you, my dear mother, I will no longer be born to any other mother's womb. I will not be born to any other mother, any physical mother. I will not have. Because I am born to you. Okay, that is the ultimate spirituality, mukti. So the Sudha Sarabhivarshini Amrutam. Mrityu, Amrutam, Amrutam. Mrityu is death. Mrityu, a deathless state. When will you attain a deathless state? When you're not born in a physical world. No rebirth. Okay? Sudha Sarabhivarshini Tatillata Samaruchi Shatchakropari Samstita Mahashakti Kundalini Bisatantu Taniyasi. She rises up from the Muladhara like the lotus stem, thin, see, and goes up. Now you combine all these verses. Mahapadmatavi Samstha. The Kundalini is Devi Lalita herself, the Sushumna. She goes up, and the Mahapadmatavi, the blooming of the 1,000-petal lotus. See, this is Sanatana Dharma. I request my audience, please understand the greatness of our Sanatana Dharma. Because sometimes I feel really funny to see people sharing pictures of big, huge lotuses, saying this is the Mahapadmadavi, this is the Sahasradala Padmam, which is mentioned in Lalita Sahasranama. I feel so sad. Is it the physical lotus? No. All the Shatchakropari Samstita and Mahashakti Kundalini, what a beautiful verse these are. The Sahasradala Padmam is on top of your head. When it blooms, by the grace of Devi, by her mantra, you get everything, ma. You get everything. But we are chasing small things. Small things. We forget to hold the great thing. Will I get married if I recite Lalita Sahasranama? Will I get healed if I recite Lalita Sahasranama? Still you're living in your body consciousness. Come out of it. You'll get everything. Everything is promised here. Don't come and ask me, Amma, which Nama to recite? I have this issue. Why? Recite the whole lot. How long is it going to take for you? Just 40 minutes, 35 minutes. Learn it properly. See, when you have a particular ailment, Devi will show the Nama to you. She will tell you, recite this energy, you will get it. Recite this Nama. Okay? Shruti Simanda Sandori Krita Padapcha Dulika Vishwagarbha Swarnagarbha. I want to get a child. Vishwagarbha Swarnagarbha Varada Vagati Ishwari. She will trigger the Nama in you. Her whole body Varnana is there. So when you meditate upon one particular body part, that body part will get cleansed. So many miracles have happened, still happening. But focus your attention on Devi. Be very clear that what I want to achieve. Oh Ma, I want you. I want you. I want to attain your feet. I want to merge with you. If you merge with Devi, what else you need? I need nothing. Everything is taken care of. She is your divine mother. That's why we say the first Nama, Sri Mata. Sri Mata, the only mother who provides everything. Sri Matre Namaha. We'll continue on this. Sri Matre Namaha.